This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download CapCut on the PC. So CapCut, the popular video editor, I'm right here on the main downloads page. You can simply click this button here, download for free. And just like that, it will open up on your computer and go to your default download location, wherever that is set on your browser. Now, I've got a special offer right here, 7 days of free Pro. So you get CapCut Pro for free for 7 days. It's a free trial. You can follow my link, which I've highlighted here, mattbusiness.com/recommend/CapCut. I will include that, of course, in the video description, so you can just click that link and wind up here. And what this offer essentially enables you to do is you can check out the full CapCut platform without any limitations. You get 7 days of Pro for free. You can check out and see if it's for you. If the product, if the app is for you, that's cool. You can continue on with your subscription. If not, you can cancel and you don't pay anything. You don't have to enter a credit card or anything like that. So follow my link, get this 7 days for free, check out the full platform, and hopefully you enjoy what you see. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.